Holy shit, this bike is a weapon, man. Wow, I just finished Kuala Kelawang. Wow, oof, that was epic, man. Okay, let me explain. That was my first time. Yeah, it is my first time, and Kuala Kelawang is a place that I really, really want to go or want to come, because it's, you know, it's so famous that people name it Kuala Kelawang International Circuit, even though it's not a circuit. It's like nicknamed as a circuit. So yes, this is a place that I really want to come for a long time, but I just don't have friends that ride. Yeah, so finally we have one Mr. Tay over here. Got Tay in front of me. Oof, damn, this bike bops loud. Yeah, I asked him lah, because today is public holiday, see if you want to ride or not. And he said, okay, on. Okay, then we ride lah. Because I've not been here before, and he's come here a lot of times already. So yeah, I asked him to bring me here, and then okay lah, come on. Yeah, it is a very, very good experience, man. The corners are not, it's not like Fraser's Hill. It's like hairpin corners. It's not too bad. This is like, look at this corner. I love this kind of corners, man. Oof, love it. So hairpin corners are a bit tougher. For me, it's not as enjoyable as this type of corners. So yeah, they are a bit of a damp road, but ultimately the roads are good lah. There's no like potholes and all. I was surprised at how good the roads are. Oh man, I need to concentrate a bit because it's speeding up. So yeah, it was really nice. I would say this is one of my best like first time experience in the corners. And this bike do not disappoint, man. This is a weapon. This is a true weapon. I don't even have that much of confidence, you know, leaning down. Because of course, yeah, this is my first time, so I'm just gonna take it easy. Don't want to crash, don't want to get too excited, and then, you know, overestimate the corners and then overshoot and then bang. That's not what I want, man. So for me, corners are to enjoy lah. I don't really want to go knee down or crazy stuff like that. It's a time for me to take it not too slow, not too fast, you know, can enjoy the scenery, the greenery, because like living in the city, I really don't have much of the greenery experience at all. So like this is like the good time to, you know, appreciate the greenery. Woo! This bike is a weapon, man. I think I would say like even pro riders would have a lot of fun on this bike, because the agility is next level. I've not ridden anything above 600cc before. I mean, got lah 650cc, which is the ER6N back then when I was learning with the learner's bike. So yeah, that was crazy heavy. This is light. I think give a pro rider this bike in the twisties like this, it's gonna have a blast. Woohoo! Honestly, if you are thinking of getting this bike, just do it, just get it. I feel like this is one of the best bike, lightweight naked bike that is around. Unless you do a lot of highway kilometers, then this may not be the best one. But other than that, holy shit, this bike is crazy good, man. Oh, so good. Oh, this is almost like riding to Cameron Highlands, man. Oh wow, look at the greenery. Okay man, I'm gonna enjoy the corners. I'm gonna stop talking and ride on. I'll see you all in the next video. Enjoy your ride, and I'm gonna have fun with my ride. Ride safe. Don't forget to like my videos, and if you like it, of course you must give it a like lah. Also press the subscribe button if you don't want to miss any videos that I make. You have to click the notification bell button, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.